What a beauty, just arrived in, direct from the last owner. A family I've dealt with for many years and bought lots of cars off them. This is the beautiful SKODA KAROQ. It's the Drive SE 1.5 TSI petrol engine, 150 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox. Finished in business grade metallic with £1,260 worth of factory fitted options. It is absolutely stunning. 2020 on a 70 plate, full service history, fabulous cars, easy access being a little bit higher off the ground, and superb specification. They really are amazing cars. Let's take you all the way around it to show you how beautiful and great spec this car is. Easy access to the boot, so a little bit higher off the ground, so we can put your bits in a lot easier, not having to go to the ground floor. All the loading area is nice and clean, not been abused. Load lander in from new, so keeping the boot nice and clean. You've got 3-load facility, so you can carry anything along in there, fishing rods, wood, skis. Lots of little gadgets there to secure things in the boot. Great little feature. This one also comes with an optional spare wheel, which was an extra. You've got rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera. The bodywork is just absolutely beautiful. No dents, scratches, scrapes or dings anywhere on the bodywork. It really has been very well cherished. All the wheels in great condition. This is how the cars come in. Good tyres all the way around, plenty of tread. Rear privacy glass. It's got the optional chrome roof rails, which again was an option on the vehicle. Again, close up of the front wheel. No major damage, might get the odd tiny mark on it, but nothing major at all. Front parking sensors all across the front, lovely and clean. Again, hardly a mark anywhere at all. You might be the odd tiny stone chip, but certainly nothing major whatsoever. Again, the offside wheel, close-up look, and again with the tyre. And this is why we did the video, to show you a full close-up of every aspect of the vehicle, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Nothing's hidden, full transparency. It's almost like you walking around the car with me. All the trims in great condition, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Just look at that legroom there, plenty of space. It's got this beautiful black and grey cloth upholstery, all unmarked. And you've got the little picnic tables there as well. So as I mentioned, a little bit higher off the ground, so easy access to get in and out of. All the door trims, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, additional storage there. You even got something just to strap the little paperwork back out of the way so it doesn't fall about. All the seats, upholstery, as you would expect, all in beautiful condition. Mileage of just 21,619. That's what it's done. 21,619. Full service history, one owner. Keyless start. Nice big clear media screen. All very easy to control through. Just wait for navigation to kick in to show the nice clear screen, all touch screen, all to follow through. Of course, dual zone climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, cup holders, additional storage with the armrest. And there's navigation. Full menu there, full colour. So easy to just see exactly what you're looking for. Apple CarPlay, mirror link. Get the air conditioning just exactly how you want it. Individually, it just shows on the screen the temperatures. So easy. Or you can control it by the little knobs down there, whatever's easy for you. Okay, so various functions for the display with the active cruise control, DAB radio, great sound system of the car, media input, Bluetooth phone connection, voice activation, various apps, menu for the car, reverse camera, navigation.
Would you like to enter an address, select one of your last destinations or obtain route information?
Route information.
Please start route guidance first.
So you've got voice activation, again to get the directions or dial somebody or change radio stations. Again, the menu in front of you can be controlled off the steering wheel. Again, so clear. Just scroll through. Cruise control, speed limiter. Folding mirrors. And there we have it. Our beautiful one owner SKODA. Of course we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, part exchange always a pleasure. Check our online finance calculator to work out your HP, your PCP deal, low deposits, low monthly payments, and apply direct off our website. It is so easy, it is so quick. Remember, you can reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. If you fancy it at 2 o'clock in the morning, hit that button, reserve, with our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll refund your money, no questions asked. But at least it saves the car for you. Click and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask for full and further details how that operates. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. The vehicle got total closure, so literally if you leave the windows down, press and hold the lock button, hey presto, all the windows go up. And the reverse of that is if it's a very hot day and you come back to the car, you don't want the heat to hit you, just literally press and hold the open button, all the windows will drop down, making it a little bit cooler to get into the car. Our phone number is 01782 822 700. Any further information, please feel free to give us a call Monday to Saturday on 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.